So peaceful, so nice. Yes, so green. People walking. So green. So green and so nice. What is the name of tree? Uh, this flower have a smell. No cut gulab. I need a cut gulab. It's very smelly flower. This is cut gulab tree. Its Bengali name is cut gulab. I need one. They have many types of color. I got one, but it's almost dry, yellow and red shade. Another have white and yellow shade. It's so beautiful also. I find another one. Yes, this is white and yellow shade. Maybe you love that. I have to shake the tree and then drop many of flower. Then I can to showing you beauty of flower. but tree is so distant. This is the problem. Okay, you love my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Usually I can't talk any videos because it is a virtual vlog. That's why I can't explain anything. I find another one. It's white and yellow shade. And it's fresh. It's fresh and very smelly. Viewers, where to you watch my videos? Please comment. This word cemetery is a historical landmark. Many of tourists in there. I love this area's nature. It's so green and so nice, beautiful. It's okay. Oh, so smelly. So smelly. Many of trees are most dry. What is problem? I don't know. Same, same generosity are dry. Can you name this tree? What is the name of the tree? Okay. There's a white shade and yellow shade. It's so smelly. Love that. So when you visit Bangladesh and come Chittagong, you can visit this war cemetery. It's Commonwealth war graves there. Its location is Batsamia Chowdhury Road, Chittagong, Bangladesh. This have visiting hour 7 am to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Once war cemetery closed on 3 days of Eid al-Fitr and 3 days of Eid al-Adha. Yes. Have many instruction in their signboard. Please do not request to open the gate when the gate is locked. Behave quickly and with respect for those poor. It is not permitted to sit around within the premise. Please do not left the area. Cemetery remain closed during strike. Okay. See you again. This road, you see this road also. It's the Batsamia road. So clean, and this road is always busy. Always. Okay guys, see you again in the next videos.